Want to turn your passion into a profitable side hustle in 2025? In this video, we'll show you the 5 simple steps to start your dream side hustle and achieve financial freedom. From identifying your strengths to creating a business plan, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started. Whether you're looking to make extra money, pursue your passion, or build a business, these 5 steps will give you the confidence and clarity to take the first step towards turning your idea into a reality. So, what are you waiting for? Watch now and start building your dream side hustle in 2025. Did you know that in 2025, over 50% of adults worldwide are pursuing a side hustle to boost their income and achieve financial freedom? Starting a side hustle in 2025 is more crucial than ever due to several factors that can positively impact your financial and personal life. First, the rise of remote work and digital platforms has made it easier to access opportunities with minimal investment. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, build financial security, or turn a passion into a profitable venture, side hustles offer a flexible and scalable solution. The economy is constantly evolving, and having a side hustle provides a safety net, helping you stay resilient in times of uncertainty, such as economic downturns or job instability. It also encourages personal growth and skill development, skills that could open doors to new opportunities, whether within your current job or a completely new career path. Moreover, starting a side hustle can lead to financial freedom, allowing you to earn extra income, pay off debt, or save for long-term goals. It also fosters a sense of fulfillment by pursuing something you love or solving problems others face. In 2025, with the vast opportunities available, there's no better time to create something meaningful outside your 9-to-5 job. Starting your dream side hustle this year can be simpler than you think. Begin by identifying a niche or passion that excites you and aligns with market demand. Build a clear plan with actionable goals, and take advantage of free or affordable resources to sharpen your skills. Launch your hustle with minimal investment using digital tools to streamline operations. Stay consistent, adapt to feedback, and watch your dream transform into a thriving reality. In 2025, side hustles have become more than just a way to earn extra income, they're a gateway to financial freedom and personal fulfillment. With the rise of remote work, digital platforms, and endless opportunities to monetize skills and passions, starting a side hustle has never been more accessible. It's your chance to take control of your financial future, explore what you truly enjoy, and build something that can grow alongside your life goals. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or turn your ideas into a thriving business, a side hustle offers the flexibility and potential to make it happen. Learn essential skills through online courses, tutorials, or mentors to enhance your expertise and confidence. Launch your side hustle with minimal upfront investment, utilizing free or low-cost tools to market and manage your venture effectively. Social media theme pages choose a niche you're passionate about, such as travel, fitness, or inspirational quotes. Create an Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest account and consistently post high-quality, niche-specific content. Grow your audience by engaging with similar pages, using trending hashtags, and posting reels or stories. Monetize by partnering with brands for sponsored posts or selling digital products. Minimal startup costs and high scalability. Builds a strong online presence and opens up collaboration opportunities. Passive income potential through ads or affiliate partnerships. Mobile car wash or detailing service. Purchase affordable cleaning supplies like sponges, car wax, and portable vacuums. Advertise your service through local social media groups, flyers, or word of mouth. Offer on-site cleaning for added convenience, targeting offices or residential areas. High demand in urban and suburban areas. Low startup costs with immediate earning potential. Ability to expand into premium services like ceramic coatings or upholstery cleaning. Pet sitting or dog walking. Sign up on platforms like Rover or advertise your services locally. Build trust by showcasing your love for animals and offering a trial period for new clients. Offer additional services like grooming, pet photography, or custom pet accessories. Flexible hours and a fun way to earn money. High demand among busy pet owners. Opportunity to turn it into a full-fledged business with regular clients. Houseplant maintenance service. Learn basic plant care, including watering schedules, pruning, and pest control. Offer services to offices, cafes, or individuals with busy schedules. Expand by selling plants, pots, or offering indoor plant styling consultations. Growing interest in indoor plants and home aesthetics. High profit potential in urban areas where plants are trendy. Opportunities to build lasting client relationships. Rental of everyday items. List tools, appliances, or event items, for example, chairs, tables, decorations, you already own on platforms like Fatlama. Set affordable rates and offer discounts for bulk or repeat rentals. Expand by purchasing high-demand rental items over time. Passive income from items you already have. Low maintenance and high demand for items like power tools or party equipment. Opportunity to scale into a local rental business. Meet Sarah, a full-time teacher who turned her love for baking into a thriving side hustle. In 2021, she started by identifying her niche, creating custom cakes for special occasions. She noticed a demand for personalized, unique designs in her local community and decided to fill the gap. Sarah began researching by analyzing competitors and learning what customers valued most: timely delivery, creative designs, and affordable pricing. She honed her skills through YouTube tutorials and enrolled in an online cake decorating course. With a small budget, Sarah launched her business on Instagram, sharing photos of her creations and engaging with her audience. She offered introductory discounts to attract her first customers, relying on word of mouth and local community groups for promotion. Her consistency and willingness to adapt paid off. Within a year, Sarah was earning double her teaching salary from her side hustle alone. She had expanded her business to include baking workshops and an online store for baking supplies, achieving both financial freedom and personal fulfillment. Sarah's story is proof that with the right steps, passion, and persistence, a side hustle can transform not just your income but your entire life. Want to discover the best trending products on TikTok? Join us over on TikTok for exclusive access to viral products that everyone's talking about. Stay ahead of the trends and get the inside scoop on the hottest items. Don't miss out. Follow us now for your next favorite find. What's your dream side hustle? Share your ideas in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're passionate about. If you're looking for more inspiration and tips to kickstart your entrepreneurial journey, don't forget to check out my next video where I dive deeper into strategies for building a successful online business. See you there.